Namaste. Very good morning to all my friends. It is my conference and hope all are okay. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. Now 3 times Om chanting with great respect. Long retake. Long retake. Now practice a long breath through the nostril, release through the mouth for precaution from coronavirus, and it is benefits for our immunity power increase. Now take a long breath through the nostril, release through the mouth, long release. Don't sound. Long retake. Tuesday my close day due to my home day in my home. For this I am closing on that day. Tuesday always my close day. This live session. Now take Bostika for your immunity power increase also, coronavirus protection also. Now very benefited for your hemoglobin increase, sinus benefits, for your brain totally cool, very energetic, cough cool benefits for your heart and lungs, very benefit cleansing, and also very benefited for asthma patients. This practice of Rostika. Very good morning, Jhumadi. Now walk. Long breath, long release. Full respiratory system cleansing, total insight. Close your respiratory system, nose close, totally open after practicing this Bostika. In night time we are calling like this. This will be totally clear due to inside our nose close for this we are calling, and our weight is increase, very increase above 60, 70, 80, our body weight heavy, then calling nose in night time. Now practice this Bhastrika again, second stage. Breathe in, breathe out. Long breath, take a long release. For corona protection also, total respiratory system cleansing, lungs heart very benefits, total cleansing inside. Long breathe, a long release through the nostril, through the nose. Total brain cool, practicing this. Also insomnia, those who are not sleeping in nap time whole night, totally awaken after practicing this Bhastrika, totally brain cool. Then insomnia मीन्स रात में जिसका नींद नहीं आता है उसको लिए ये बहुत फायदा है. Daily practice से this. Now third stage से Bhastrika. This is a very benefited for your immunity power increase also. Now take, breathe in, breathe out. Long breathe, long release. Cough cool benefits, sinus benefits, your headache benefits, total respiratory system cleansing. My son is nursery reading. Babun, please come here. Sit there. Don't mind my son. তারপর ইংলিশ পড়তে আসবে, তারপর ইংলিশ. Okay, now start again. Now again. There. With great respect, we are not alone. We are practicing with our mothers, fathers, those who are inside my heart. And in front of my God Lord Shiva, touching him with great respect. Practice this Bhastrika for corona protection also. Now practice Kapalabhati for total cleansing your inside stomach. Very super medicine for gastric, benefits for your skin, super benefits for our skin disease, any types of skin disease totally clear after practicing this Kapalabhati. Prostate, uterus, ovary, all types of women's related disease totally reduce, repair and recover. Practicing this Kapalabhati, weight reduce after daily practicing 250 in your home. And now hemoglobin also increase. Practice this Kapalabhati, total digest, indigest acidity, increase your hungry. Now take full energy come through practice this Kapalabhati. breathe out, and your navel total touching inside spine. Realize, feel like this. Now take breathe out. 200 practice now. For to 8 kg reduce weight. Unique benefits for your skin disease. Total reduce, repair and recover. We are practicing God Lord Shiva, touching him with great respect. Practice with great concentration. Practice totally close eyes. Now practice a 50. After daily practicing, reduce your fat from the belly. Fat muscle very strong. Total stomach cleansing. Very normally practice. Only breathe out and touching your navel inside spine. Feel an imaging like this with great respect. Allah, Khuda, Ishwar, God. As per your religion, you will recall and practice this Kapalabhati, and your face totally shining. Chak chak karega due to your stomach cleansing. Any types of disease totally repair. Practice this Kapalabhati 250 in your home. Reduce your 4 to 8 kg weight after daily practice. We are not alone. We are practicing with God Lord Shiva, with my parents. Hemoglobin also increase. Practice this Kapalabhati. Total stomach cleansing. Total body balancing. Practice this Kapalabhati. Very energetic this Kapalabhati. Reduce your weight 4 to 8 kg. With great respect practice. Total body straight. Realize your God as per your religion. Take in your heart and recall him and practice with God Lord Shiva, Allah, Khuda, Ishu, God. Excellent benefits for your gastric. Gas reduce also. Reduce your fat from your belly. Strong calm on your fat muscle. Very strength. Very straight. One second. Jumadi, my son and daughter lag gaya dono. 1 second.
বাবন কোথায় বসেছো?
मज़ा आता है, दोनों लग जाता है, मेरा मज़ा आता है, मैं लगा देता हूँ कभी कभी दोनों को। ओके, नाउ प्रैक्टिस in Kapalabhati, super a medicine for our health. Eyes closed due to total concentration with God Lord Shiva. My father, mother in my heart, with great respect practice this. Unique of unique benefits come practice this Kapalabhati. In your mind recall your God and practice again 100. Langvrittu. Again practice. Practice with me very normally. Close eyes. Recall your God in your mind. All types of related disease of prostate, ureters and ovary, any types of disease of women's totally recover after practicing daily this Kapalabhati, any types of disease. After daily practicing you will feel which type of disease totally reduce, recover from your body. Now practice with great respect. Smiling on your face with God Lord Shiva, Allah Khuda Ishu. Smile with God Lord Shiva, Allah Ishu Khuda. Weight reduce 4 to 8 kg after daily practice. Total body control practice this Kapalabhati. Excellent of excellent benefits come practice this Kapalabhati. Reduce your any types of inside a liver. Heavenly peace calm in your whole body. Practice this Kapalabhati. Pancreas benefits, super benefits are for our diabetes friends. Daily practice control your sugar level. After daily practicing you will feel your body totally energetic. Come practice this Kapalabhati. Nice benefits for our skin disease recover. Now again practice 50. Total stomach empty. Practice this Kapalbhati and you feel hungry, all types of poisonous things coming, going out in poisonous things. Those who are, my friends, are very weight, increase your weight, practice daily 250 in your home. Smiling with God Lord Shiva, practice with God great spirit, respect, always feeling and reminding your God. Now practice Anulom Vilom practice for your cholesterol benefits, triglyceride benefits, heart and lungs benefits, your total respiratory system total cleansing, sinus benefits, total body cool and peace, and very your poisonous come from your inside. Practice this Kapalbhati, total body calm, peace and happy. Now practice Kapalbhati like this. Very normally take. Again take long breath through the right nose. Full heart, then release. Again long breath, no sound come when take breath. Full heart, then full release right nose. Again practice with great respect. Long breath take very normally. Long breath take, full heart take. Your breathe very smoothly take breathe. Don't sound come yours. Anulom Vilom in your ear. Full breathe then full release. Now normally practice. Two fingers on the Adha Chakra. Stop your right nose. Take breath left nose. Long breath. Again take long breath right nose. Practice always 250 in your room. For your whole benefits, come practice this Anulom Vilom. Very smoothly take, only take a breath through the nostril, any other side will not affect. Very normally take. Stop breath, then release. Another time, again long breath take. Stop breath inside, then release. Long breath take, long breath take. Stop breath totally. Now release. due to stop inside. Total nerve, very strong, active blood flowing on whole part inside. Now take again long take. Stop, breathe. Now release. Again take long breath. Stop. Now release. Again long with full breath, take smoothly. Again long breath take, then stop. Total stop, not release. Take inside the breath. Now release. Again long breath take. Very normally take, don't forcefully take. Now stop. Body inside totally active. Strength come inside all the nerve. Now practice again 100 Anulom Vilom on Agga Chakra touching. Then stop. Right nose, take a long breath. Stop. Left nose, release right nose. Again take long breath. Long release. Again take long breath. Release right nose. Again take a long breath. Then release left nose. Again long breath take. Stop left nose. Night release right nose. Again take long breath. Now normally practice. Again long breath take. Long release. Again long breath take. Any types of poisons come through this nostril, and total body very weightless. Feel inside heavenly peace. Practice this Anulom Vilom. This is a very benefited for your cholesterol. Tight inside your total nostril cleansing. Inside if closed, totally open. Your heart block 40%. Practice daily this Anulom Vilom. Again 30. Breathe in, breathe out. Touch the Agga Chakra. Stop left nose. Take right nose, breathe. Long breath take very smoothly like a sleeping time. Then release, long release. Again take long breath. Again release. Again long breath take. Long release. Again long breath take. Right nose close. Take left nose, long breath like a sleeping time. Don't forcefully take breath. Don't long release. Again take breath. Again long release. Now take a long breath too. Long release. Again long breath take. Full breath take like a sleeping time. Then a long release. Again take a long breath. Release through the mouth. Again long breath take. Long release for corona protection. Again long release take. Long take, long release. Again long breath take. Long release. Again long breath take. For corona protection. This has said by our greatest doctor, novelist and eminent scientist Louis J in the London in a journal few days before, taking this breathing technique quiz for your protection for coronavirus. Your total lungs have to take huge breath inside going, blood flowing very fluently, and nitric acid increase and very increasing your immunity power. Practice this breathing exercise. Now again Ujjayi very beneficial also. I am thinking it is also very beneficial for our attack coronavirus in our inside throat. This is also very beneficial. This Ujjayi for also very benefits for there those who are suffering from thyroids. Our fingerprints are very benefits. Practicing this Ujjayi, sweet voice come. Those who are not speaking properly, very benefits for there also. Now practice with great respect. First time practice like this. Those who are a very new practice like this only. Lift. 6. 4-second rest. Then release downward. Very smoothly pressure. Again. Practice this Ujjayi. All other part of the body not stress come, only practice this throat inside. 4-second rest and then down. Very normally pressure. Those who are very newly practice like this minimum 7 to 15 days, then long Ujjayi. Again long breath take, no breath, lift. Very benefits also. Cough will come from the throat. Any types of disease totally repair. Practicing inside a related disease totally repair and recover from your inside of the throat. Very normally practice with God, great respect, a deep breath with God, Lord Shiva, Allah Kudaishu. As per your religion, take your God in your mind and recall him and practice this Kapalbhati. For whole body comes spiritual due to practice this yoga session. Now practice one more asana. This is for throat due to coronavirus protection. It is my faith. This Shasanga asana also very beneficial for our throat, for our nose, and also our heart and lungs. Practice daily with great respect. Now sit on Vajrasana. Like this Vajrasana. Vajrasana very beneficial for digest and total Vajrasana. This is Vajrasana. Gap your joint, your hip also, your thigh sciatica very benefits, your knees benefits, your hip bone very strong, and hip muscles have totally reduced. Your knuckle ankle is very benefits, strength come full body. Now Shingasana practice very normally, don't forcefully. Take tongue out as much as possible, out. Any types of disease inside throat totally reduce, repair, recover, and also very confident. It is my confident hope. It is very beneficial for our corona protection inside throat. Those who are not properly speaking in speaking type, they are totally stop. Like this, totally repair, and our singer friend very benefits. Should boys come practice this totally cleansing and any types of disease total repair. Practice this Shinga asana. Now again take total cleansing inside, and very benefits come for our corona attack inside this. It is totally prevent. Practice this Singhasana. Very unique benefits come in our inside. Now take again. And now practice this total back bend. Now going asana for your like this total for your spine, for your hip benefits, for your knee benefits, for your sciatica benefits, and your total joint benefits, and also very benefits for our related inside your prostate. Now and spine benefits also. Both arms are very strong. Come practice this. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in without. It is very benefits for severe asthma patients also. Like this, always total opposite. Spine benefits also, hip benefits also, knee benefits also, stress calm on your thighs benefits, your joint benefits for your arm benefits, and benefits for your spine and neck and shoulder benefits. Breathe in, breathe out, heart and lungs also very excellent benefits come. Asthma benefits are due to taking huge breath. Your throat pipe also very benefits. And now practice. We are very resting our spine. Practice this pranayam time. Now take for your arm, for your backside, for your knees, for your side benefits. Now 1 2 1 2. This is a Bhujangasana. 1 2 3 4 5. Now total up both the legs and hands totally touch the floor. Now for 1 2 3 4. Breathe in, breathe out. Now again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Again total benefits come for your waist pain benefits, spine benefits, your shoulder benefits, your both hand strength, and your knees benefits, thigh benefits. Now take again, breathe in, total of 1, breathe in, breathe out. For your weight, reduce your fat also, spine, unique benefits for your spine. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now total of 1 2 3 4 spine benefits. 1 2 3 4. Now again 1 2 3 4 5. Now again 1 2 3 4 5. Now again 1 2. Slowly you will take like this. 1 1 2 3. Now you are like this. 1 2 3. Don't forcefully practice. 1 2 3. Now sit on your sit. Om Om Om. Now sit on your thighs for your knuckle. Breathe 20. Long breath, take a long release. Very benefits for your insomnia, those who are not sleeping night time, not deep sleeping. After practicing this, due to taking huge breath inside, very benefits come for your deep breath, deep sleep. Always sit like this Vajrasana. 1 2 for your sciatica pains, knee pains benefits, for your ankle benefits, for your hip, for your spine resting. Now breathe in, breathe out. Now again for your waist pain, this is Bhujangasana. For your mother, sister, very benefits. For your periodical disorder, very benefits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now total Purvadasana. Total straight. Both the leg and hands touch the floor. Breathe in, breathe out. Now again 1 2 3 4. This is a Sarpa Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Bhujangasana, total out, breathe in, breathe out. Now again total up. 1 2 3. Both hands and feet on your touch on the floor. Now straight. 1 2. Breathe in, breathe out. Now take 1 2 1 2 1 2. Now take total, breathe in, breathe out. Now again take, breathe in, breathe out. And now practice Padmasana. Total for your nerve strength, nerve active, blood flowing. Practice this. 1 2 3 4. Down, total 1 2 down. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Breathe in, breathe out. Total Dandasana. 1 2 3 4 for digestive. Resting your full spine. Now again total up. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Now total circle 1 2 for your nerve benefits. Practice daily for your lower part. Very benefits calm for your nerve, for your bone, and active your all nerve. Very strength come. Practice this circle of the body. Now again 1 2 1 2 1 2. Now take sit on 1 like this. 1 2 3 4 for your sciatica benefits, for your ankle benefits, for your side benefits. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Again strength come on your whole legs, muscles are very strong come, nerve active, blood flowing, and your ankle is very flexible come. Practice this 1 2 3 4 5. All muscle very strong come. Practice this. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6. Breathe in without. Now sleep. Now practice one more asana. This is butterfly for your joint, for your knees, for your thighs, for your whole spine total is resting. Now take breath. It is very beneficial for our mother, sister, grandmother, those who are suffering from their periodical disorder. Totally benefits come. Practice this butterfly 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Breathe in without. Very easy. Don't stress come on your whole body. Will not calm your whole body. The very easiest in the world. Now practice again. Practice breathing without. Now practice this butterfly again for periodical stuff, for joint pains, for your thighs muscle very strong. Practice this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4. Breathe in without. Now again practice some asana for our whole body benefits come. Practice this asana. Now practice one more asana, Uddiyana, for your gastric, for your digest, for now practice Uddiyana. Uddiyana is very benefits for your. Now this total breathe out. Take a navel inside. Stop your breathe. Total breathe out. Breathe out. Uddiyana. Breathe out. Stop your breath and take your navel inside. Total breathe. Stop. Now take breathe out. Now release again. Breathe out. Take your नाभिटा के भेतर दिके निये stop your breath. Always practice the Uddiyana. Uddiyana is very benefits for your constipation, acidity reduce, gas reduce, and also very benefits adrenal, pancreas benefits of your total diaphragm, increase of working power of lungs, and also very benefits for your sexual problem will be fruitful. Any types of sexual problem very fruitful. Practice this Uddiyana. Now practice one more asana. This is Padmasana, for resting asana, for benefits for your increase your memory, our students, for all. It is a very this totally touch both legs on the floor. This breathe in without 10. Very benefits for your after daily practice 20-30. This is a meditation asana, concentration asana. Your concentration come, increase the memory, your total spine 32 joint totally resting, 72,000 nerve totally active, and also very benefit a long lives after daily practicing this. Padmasana, benefits come on your total knee benefits are totally recover, sciatica pain benefits, joint benefits, ankle benefits also, and your very benefits for your 32 joint very resting position. 72,000 nerve totally active and resting. This is now again yoga mudra. Yoga mudra is a very benefits for your lung constitution totally reduce recover. Cervical spondylitis benefits for your diabetes patient. Stress come on your fat belly. The fat totally reduce, your fat totally strong come, very stiff, and indigest acidity benefits, very benefit for your increase your hungry, and diabetes patient total regulate. This practice is Ujjayi Yoga Mudra. Now totally breathe out. Touch the forehead on the floor. Stop. Breathe. 10 count. 10 breathe. Now again. Up, breathe in, breathe out 2. Now again practice, always 3 times practice. I am very shortly practicing daily due to another asana will be practice. Now take breathe total out. Take your navel inside. Up, always practice this yoga mudra. It is a very benefits for your inside stomach benefits, digestive, acidity, gas reduce, very benefits. Those who are continue suffering from colitis, means loose motions in morning time. Cervical spondylitis benefits also. This practice and long constipation reduce, recover after daily practicing. Again practice this. Our one friends Yoga Kim, Namaste, very good morning. Now again practice on Padmasana practice. This is a yoga mudra for benefits for your arthritis pain, sciatica on thighs, for joint benefits, your ankle very benefits. This is yoga mudra and also benefits of lung colitis, cervical spontaneous benefits, lung constitution totally recover practice this. Now take total breath out, take inside, breathe stop. This is a yoga mudra. Daily practice for insert stomach benefits. Excellent benefits come practice. This yoga mudra. Daily practice. Very common for your stomach cleansing. Now, one more asana. This is a balancing asana. This Utthita Padma asana. Normally practice. Don't forcefully practice. It is a very dangerous due to balancing. Total body lift. And now take breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in, breathe out. For very stomach benefits like as yoga mudra, digest acidity benefits, in gas benefits also. Very benefits for your total shoulder strength. Come practice this Utthita Padmasana and strengthen your both hands. Now punch for your side, for your shoulder. This Sukhasana now punch. Total 14 punches. 1, 2 for your this shoulder, for your hands, for your side benefits. This is karate punch. 1, 2, 1, 2. This hands come on. Punching come on. This is one other hit. If our any sister hit any man in the road, this is very benefits. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now punch on your abdomen. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Breathe in, breathe out. Now face punch. 1, 2, 1, 2. Very for your side fat reduce. For your shoulder very strong come. Any types of difficulty your shoulder totally repair. And both hand very strong. Okay, and now take 1, 2 for your active your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now one more asana. This is a twisting asana for your spine benefits like this. Total both legs straight. Right leg beside another side of left side. Total for your spine benefits, kidney benefits, lungs benefits, heart benefits, and very unique benefits for your spine benefits. Very smoothly practice this asana. Now total breathe in with the total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total straight. 4, 5. Breathe in, breathe out. My time daily 6:15 to 20 practice, and Friday, Saturday and Sunday my office is closed. Sunday and Saturday it is a very benefit to me. Very smoothly practice, very peacefully practice this asana for our little children, for all particularly there those who are sitting and sleeping old age corona situation. Now total another side practice this. Left hand touch the right opposite like this. Okay, now take practice for your twisting asana. Breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Always breathe in, breathe out. Always breathe in, breathe out. Now practice rolling with Pavan Mukta. Rolling on Pavan Mukta is also very benefit for your rolling, for your backside muscle total strength come, nerve active, blood flowing very fluently. Your 32 joints are total flexible. Practice this, your shoulder benefits, your hip benefits, and also benefits for your stomach. Pavan Mukta with a rolling. First Pavan Mukta, both the legs. First Pavan Mukta for your benefits, for your gas, unique gas reduce, total sleep, normally sleep, both legs are bent, touch the both thighs on the chest. This is a Pavan Mukta Asana, very excellent unique benefits for your gas reduce. Now take hold, touch the cheek on the knees, chest touched by the thighs. Now 1, 2, breathe in, breathe out. Always take a breathe in, breathe out. Then count and breathe. Diabetes patient also very benefits. Stress calm on your stomach, reduce your fat from the belly, and fat muscle very strong and stiff. Diabetes regulate, pancreas benefits, super benefits for your gas reduce. This Pavan Mukta. Now on Pavan Mukta, rolling asana for your backside muscles. 1, 2, breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in, breathe out. Now take one more asana, one exercise for your waist pain benefits, for your joint benefits. Sit on the floor like this. One, total opposite of the knee, your head. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now Mukha for your stomach benefits. Now total Mukha, kidney, liver, fatty liver very benefits. Digestive asana. This is Mukha board asana, board. This is like as a board. Breathe in, breathe out. Now Navyasana. This Mukha very benefits. Practice a daily 110 into 10 for your reduce your fat, gas reduce, liver benefits, kidney benefits, heart and lungs benefits, both thigh and hands benefits. Practice your diabetic patient very benefits, sugar level totally come level. Practice this. Now one more asana. This is a Navyasana, total opposite of board asana. This is also opposite of board asana. Now take the breathe in, breathe out. Total both the legs and hands up. Breathe in, breathe out. Now take one more asana, Salvasana, for our sister mothers. Periodical disorder, totally benefits come. Practice this. Waist pain benefits, benefits for your heart and lungs, for your thigh benefits. This Salvasana, both legs on your body, total up. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. 10 count and breathe. It is very beneficial for our mother sister critical disorder totally reduce, and also waist pain benefits for low pressure benefits your all spine flexibility and stiff, and muscles very strong come, both legs are very strong, and your heart lungs very fits this Salvasana. Now take one more asana. This is all parts of the body total benefits come. This Sarvangasana, all organ totally fluently cleansing by the blood due to opposite direction. This Sarvangasana benefits for your constitution benefits, for your thyroid benefits, very beneficial for sexual increase, and also both shoulder very strong. Practice this after these asana Sarvangasana. Practice Sarvasamasa asana total opposite. Now take Sarvasana benefits, Sarvangasana benefits. Up very slowly, total both hands stiffly touch on the floor. Now up both the legs very smoothly take. This is a Bipatkarani mudra. Bipatkarani mudra. This is Sarvangasana benefit. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in without 20. Total opposite direction. This very fits for our all blood going in the crown of the brain, very fresh our brain, all organ totally cleansing by the blood due to total opposite blood flowing, constitution flowing, parathyroid benefits, your headache also benefits, and total organ totally benefits. Practice this is called Sarvangasana. Always practice this for you. Now one more asana. This is Padmasana, Matsasana practice. Now Padmasana. This Padmasana very benefits for your thyroid. This Padmasana benefits for your sciatica pain benefits, arthritis benefits, joint benefits, ankle benefits for your hip, and heart lungs benefits, super benefits for asthma benefits, your chest broad, rib strong, and lungs have very benefits due to taking huge breathe in, breathe out. Now your neck very benefits due to total curve. Now practice this. Hold both legs, stretch both legs. Now total touch the floor. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in the very benefits for your waist pain benefits also, lungs benefits, excellent benefits for severe asthma benefits, waist benefits. Now take Savasana benefits. total body loose, both the legs one hand gaps, facing upside, lung breathe, take, breathe in, breathe out. Now one more asana, this is Shitali Pranayama for your whole body. Cool, very fits for our high pressure patient, the very fits, totally reduce your pressure. Now take tongue like as a boat, take breathe and release to the nose. Take breath, eat and release through the nose. Again take breath. Again long breath take. Again long breath take. Very fits for our total body. Cool. This is our AC gifted by our God and very fits for our high pressure friends. Those who are suffering from high pressure, please practice daily this Shitali Pranayama daily 10 to 15 times. Take like this and breathe alive, your tongue like a boat. Eat, then release. Again long breath take. Now one more mudra. This is a Trataka mudra for our eyesight. Strong, any types of water normally coming whole day through your eyes totally recover, and practicing time calming water burning your both eyes. Don't think in front of you there is a wall, WALL wall. On the wall there is a very small spot. See and observe. Normally see, don't forcefully see. Now see and observe and 20 count. And in your mind you call your God. Now take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now up. Om. Again 30 count. See and observe on the spot. In front of you there is a spot. And see and observe very normally see. Don't forcefully see. Count 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. When practicing time, your water come and your eyes burning, don't think, practice again 40. See on the spot in front of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Close. Very smoothly. Message, don't force it. Just toss and message. Very smoothly practice. 1, 2, 3. breathe in, breathe out. Don't open. Rubbing your both hands. Keep on your eyes very normally open. Now see up, down, 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 up, down. Now down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now total 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now total circle. 1, 2, 3. Again opposite. 1, 2, 3. See outside of the window, leaves on tree, leaves, see on leaves, green things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now Bhamri, take breath and insert your nostril, Om chanting, and Om chanting take your whole brain, and all Om vibration going on your whole body like as raining. Feel and realize, get respect, practice with my God. Recall your God in your mind and practice this Bhamri pranayam. Now take a long breath. Again long breath take. Take. Pray to God Lord Shiva. As per your religion, you will take your God in your mind, in your heart, in front, and pray to God Lord Shiva, stowell throughout the world, and all my friends stowell. Now Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. Very good morning to all. Bappa bhai, very good morning. Kim sister, very good morning. Jumadi, very good morning. All friends are a very good morning today. Stowell, pray to God for stowell.